I really did sell my soul for this one. Yeah. Hello homebrewers, and welcome to my channel. So we have got a throwback video today. We are doing the tasting video of a wine I made a long time ago. Now, I made this wine in 2016, that is 2 years ago, and I honestly didn't really want to make it, but at the same time, I was trying to get more views, and I wanted to kind of get the subscriber base I was looking for, which are new homebrewers. That's what this channel is kind of based around. So I created a blackcurrant squash that was high alcohol at 18%. Yeah, I did. I sold my soul to try and get more views. Oh well, never mind. So, this is the last bottle of that. I ended up giving it away to my alky friends, who don't homebrew, they just buy the alcohol, so of course they want to buy as hard alcohol as they can possibly get. Because, well, they're paying per bottle, whereas I pay per gallon, so I have a different perspective. So yeah, I'm going to pour myself some, and let's do this. I'm ready. It's only taken 2 years. So I have poured myself a cheeky glass of my blackcurrant squash wine, or methylated spirit. Sorry, can't help it. So it did bottle up very well. I did my same process that I use for all my wines. I left it until it went clear, and there's no sediment in the bottle whatsoever, and you end up with basically what looks like a cordial, because it was made with squash or cordial. Yeah, I mean, it looks okay. It smells like blackcurrant and alcohol, which I suppose is what you would expect. Now, it finished at 17%, so not quite to dryness, but that's okay. 17% is still more than you need for a wine. So let's give this a go. Cheers, I suppose. So, instantly, I taste alcohol. It tastes a bit like vodka. That's what it tastes like, with a hint of blackcurrant in the background. Not as much blackcurrant as you would think, considering it was made from concentrate, so I mean, it's okay, but at the same time, it's nothing special. It just tastes like strong alcohol with a bit of blackcurrant in the background. Now, it could have been made better if this didn't ferment to dryness, or near dryness. If it had stopped at 14%, those residual sugars would have made this sweet, which would have really brought out that blackcurrant flavor. But unfortunately, I made it high alcohol and I did it right, so it came out pretty strong and dry. So I could have sweetened it, but I didn't. And yeah, well, my friends really liked this. They like hard alcohol. They like the higher percentage, the better. But they're not homebrewing, so you can't really blame them for that. I mean, for what it is, it's okay, but if you drank this bottle, you would probably get wasted, which is, yeah, I mean, that's, I guess, what people want that search for high alcohol stuff. But it doesn't taste that great. It just tastes of alcohol and a bit of blackcurrant. It's okay. Personally, if you're going to be homebrewing and making your own alcohol, you're going to get quantity, so why not have quality as well? I would suggest, personally, to dial down the alcohol down to somewhere around 10-11%. That way you're getting the flavours of what it's supposed to be instead of just alcohol. That's my personal opinion. Be right back. So this is hard, kind of dry, vodka tasting like stuff, which is fine if you like that type of thing. This, on the other hand, is my No Fuss strawberry wine. It's my newest strawberry wine I've made, and it's exactly as it sounds. It's no fuss. It's done in one bucket and it's done. Now, it's got a lovely colour to it. It looks like strawberries. And it is also a fruit wine, just the same as this one. The difference is that this one is a country wine. It's meant to be sweet, it's meant to taste of strawberries, and you're not really supposed to taste the alcohol. Cheers. Oh. This is a lot better. I mean, it doesn't really taste of alcohol. It's around the 9-10-ish% mark. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's sweet, it tastes like strawberries. It is, yeah, I mean, it is pleasant to drink. This is strong, hard, and tastes like ass. In comparison, yeah, I don't mean to, this is something that I really don't like. It's not what I want my homebrew to be like. Someone makes this and tries it, they could be put off for life, or they'll get insanely drunk and end up with a trucker's penis in their ear. So, just putting it out there. This is pleasant, I enjoy drinking it, and I can drink a couple of bottles of it and have a good evening. Plus, I'm using this to take the taste of that out of my mouth. This is very Moorish. So what it basically comes down to is the simple perception. Would you rather drink one bottle of alcohol that tastes pretty rubbish, but is really strong? Or would you rather have 2 or 3 bottles of an alcohol that is in less percentage, but tastes a lot better and is much more enjoyable to drink? That's what it comes down to. So I'm going to leave you to ponder that thought. So don't forget to comment, rate, like, share, subscribe, check out the other videos, and yeah, I will catch you in another video. Take care.